Hey there, Tony with Fieldpiece, bringing you up to speed on our color tag system. Fieldpiece Color Tags come pre-installed in the 3 packs of our all-black high-quality refrigerant charging hoses. You could also get your hands on extra tags in this 6-pack HCT6. Now, Fieldpiece Color Tags make it easy to distinguish between your low side, high side, and your charging hoses. They're built very durable and able to withstand both hot and cold climates and high UV exposure in the field. Use your Fieldpiece Color Tags to help distinguish between different sets of hoses. For example, using 2 pairs of color tags for your 5/16 inch hoses and 1 pair for your 1/4 inch hose. You could also mix and match colors like we do with our A2L reverse threaded charging hose adapter, part number HR1XR, which comes pre-installed with a gray and a red color tag to identify itself as an A2L adapter and also match your A2L refrigerant tanks. Also, Fieldpiece Color Tags make it very easy to replace a hose when it does wear out. Simply grab a replacement Fieldpiece refrigerant charging hose, take off your existing tags, slap them onto your replacement hose, and you're ready to go. Fieldpiece charging hoses, helping you maintain and use your hoses easier, faster, and better.